Have you ever made a decision that you've regretted? You know, you ate a cake you shouldn't, or you went on a date you shouldn't, or you bought a car you shouldn't, or you bought a dress you shouldn't. All these things where you know afterwards, oh, I shouldn't have done that, I should have known better. So what's that all about? What is knowing better? If you should have known better, if you've got regrets, it means that you knew some things that you didn't take into account when you made that decision, whatever it was. So that's a kind of short-term decision. Why do you do that? Well, actually, our brain is making all of our decisions for us. And we'll make good decisions when we've got lots of brain capacity to allocate to the process of making that decision. When our mind is full of all sorts of other things and we're busy and we make an important decision, we stand a risk of only taking into account some of the factors that we should be taking into account to make that decision. So often, if you're busy, if you're tired, if you're mentally full of stuff, you're only going to take into account some of the short-term considerations. So you'll only take into account those things that are really important to you at the time. I'm hungry, I need that cake, I need it now. And you won't be taking into account, oh, but I'm on a diet, I didn't want to do that. So these short-term decisions always lead to regrets, and it's the brain that's at fault. So if you find yourself doing that, I've got a tip for you. If you've got an important decision and you're not sure whether it's good or bad for you, then actually write down all the factors you should be taking into account. Spend a little time on it, and the bigger the decision, the more important the decision, the longer you spend on it. But write down all of those factors and then weigh up, should I do it, yes or no? You'll end up making far better decisions and have far fewer regrets.